Good morning, traders. This is Matthew GS. We are episode 41 of the 5/13/62 EMA Strategy. It's currently 23rd of August 2025 and it's 9:41 a.m. in the UK. Welcome along to this latest stream. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. And in today's video, we're going to be launching my Golden 62 bot, and I'm going to be sharing with you how it can triple your account in just over a year. So let's dive straight into this. And I've been super excited to release this bot. It's been a long time coming. And if you've been following along to the channel, you know that I've been trading manually for many years now, and I've been teaching the strategy. However, I decided to see if I could automate the strategy in any way and make my own bot, right? And that's exactly what I've done. Now, why did I move from manual trading to automated trading? Well, because with automated trading, you never really miss opportunities because the bot just executes when the criteria is met. There's no emotions involved. Everything is done automatically, as in when your account grows, your lot size increases, risk management is obviously all factored in, and everything is just so more smoothly and less stressful when a bot is doing it rather than yourself. Now, if you don't know my background, I've been trading for over 7 years now. I've read all the trading books you can think of. I've tried all the strategies. I've even invested with bots in the past, invested with traders, and tried many automated systems before, and the automated systems always failed. My account always got blown. I got scammed a couple of times. The bots just kept on blowing the accounts. And then I thought, do you know what? Automated trading is not for me. It's all about manual trading because you get to control everything yourself. But as time has gone on and I can see the potential and the power with this strategy, I thought to myself, I'm just going to make my own bot, right? Make my own bot with the 5/13/62 strategy and see what happens. And it turns out that it's been absolute fire, because the backtesting results show that not only is this trading strategy profitable, it actually can triple your account in only a year and a half. I've been tweaking the settings, improving it for over 3 months now, and I've got it so good that, like I mentioned, in a year and a half, it can triple your account. And I'm going to be sharing that with you right now. Okay, so the bot trades only on US 30 on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I have found that I've looked at many markets. I've looked at many different time frames, and I find that this is the cleanest for this strategy. Okay, and then I've just been, like I mentioned, building and improving from there. Now, this bot in particular with my broker, because every broker's data is different. So it's got a 1,400 pip stop loss with a take profit of 3,100 pips. It risks 2% per trade, and it aims for a 1 to 2.2 risk to reward. So therefore, when it loses a trade, it loses 2% of the account balance. When it wins the trade, it wins 4.2% of a gain on the account balance, right? So when it loses the trades, it's not a problem, because when it wins, it's just a lot more profitable in the long run. Okay, and what you're seeing here on the screen is fully back-tested results from the 1st of the 1st 2024 to the 13th of August, 12th of August 2025. Right, this is all documented. You can look at these files yourself. Everything is transparent and truthful. as in like I'm not hiding anything. Like everything's on the table. You can ask me any questions about this. But basically, this is real back-tested results. You can even, if you want to, go back in history and you can look at the entry price, you can look at the closing price, right? You can see how much the bot lost, how much the bot made on each account. You can see the lot sizes, right? As the lot sizes increase, and obviously you've got the dates here. But as you can see, the lot sizes, it started at 0.29 lot size with a £1,500 account balance, and that was on the 1st of the 1st, 2024. And as of the 12th of August 2025, the closing balance is £5,032. So that's over tripled the account. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is the lot sizes, right? We started with a 0.29 lot size and we ended up with a 0.99 lot size. So the bigger the lot size, the bigger your returns are going to be. But as the account grows, the lot size is automatically increased for you, completely automated, completely hands-free. It's an absolute game changer. And what I will say about this strategy is, although it only has a 43.4% win rate, this strategy still tripled your account in over a year and a half, right? It lost 99 trades for this period and it only won 76. But because of the 1.2.21 risk to reward ratio, that's why it was able to triple the account. I mean, this is exciting stuff. I'm super grateful that this strategy has worked out. And what I've also done is I've shown a £5,000 starting balance. So £5,000, exactly the same thing with this date. So 5k starting, and in a year and a half, you end with 16,705. Okay. And then also I've done a 10k starting balance. So start with 10k, and in a year and a half, you're left with £33,408. Absolutely insane. It's a 235% ROI. And what I've done, just to clearly label this, is the reds are losers and obviously the greens are winners. Some reds I've classed as a loss, even though it's kind of like a break even where it's minimal loss. So it's not a massive loss. So just keep that in mind. Now, I have invested my own money. It's £1,500 I've invested with my own money. But something called dollar cost averaging or pound cost averaging, I will be upping the investment into the bot just because of how powerful this bot is and the strategy that it can really grow your account. The bigger the account, the bigger the returns. It only makes sense to invest my own money more. Now, how do you get involved with this bot? So what I've done is I've put everything into my pCloud, and in there you've got the overview, just 7 pages, absolutely everything about the bot you can find in there, how to invest, how to get involved, about the bot. We've got a dedicated Golden 62 bot Telegram channel as well with all the updates. You can ask me any questions you want. So have a read of this PDF. Like I mentioned, everything is in there. Frequently asked questions as well. If there's anything that you're unsure of or you just got a question, just fire my way. All the details are in here. If you're looking for a bigger starting balance for a back testing, for example, 50 grand or 100 grand, just message me and I'll get that back testing results for you. But in here, you can find the full back testing results for £1,500 starting balance, 5 grand or a 10 grand. It's these Excel documents that I've shown you here. It's all in there. You can look at that in your own time. And also there is an affiliate program through my broker. If there's something you're interested in, there's a little details about that. And again, you can message me if that's something you are interested in. Okay. I don't want to keep this video too long. It's just the launch and you've got all the information in this section here. But I will say, but before I close, is the longer you leave this, the longer your money's not gonna grow, right? And I have full trust in this bot, in this broker, that it can deliver in the long run. Once you find the bot, this is what it looks like, and then you can just start copying. The bot has recently just won a trade yesterday, which is very exciting, and it executed that beautifully. So one thing that has been really exciting is I mentioned the bot is fully up and running. I've had it live for around a week now. If you look here at the history, these first two positions were just a test on an old code settings. And these last two are the updated code settings. So the first trade, it actually lost, unfortunately. Like, it's not going to win every single trade. But the trade that opened yesterday was a winner. And fully transparent, you can see my account balance here. So when it lost the account, it lost 2%. But as you can see here, the winner was a 4.2% gain on the account. That's why it's showing £66. And that was because, I'll just show you completely what we teach on the 51362 EMA strategy. We're above the 62 EMA. Price has slammed into the 62 EMA and a buyer position was opened. We very nearly hit the stop loss. Can you see how this really wicked down? It very, very nearly hit the stop loss. However, it didn't. And then we caught this nice move up here. Now, the take profit is around this mark here, right? And you might say, well, you could have held the trade for longer and caught this booger move. But this was only because of a news event and it was in America. That's why it's very, very bullish. What I will say is this trading strategy is going to be completely 100% automated. There's going to be no manual intervention from myself. So, for example, I could have easily cancelled the take profit for this trade and then held it for even longer, but then that's manual intervention. So I want to reassure you that there will be no human manual intervention on this strategy. It will be a 100% automation, right? Fixed TP, fixed stop loss for the duration of this strategy and bot. I will be releasing future bots potentially, but the moment this one is all alive and well, and it's a real game changer. I appreciate everyone jumping on. If you've got any questions at all, please reach out to me. And like I mentioned, do reach out subscribe to the Telegram channel, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.